Hello, and welcome to another episode of Fequiere Fitness TV. I am your host, Daniel Fequiere, and today we'll be doing an upper body workout at home with no equipment. Now, for any future workouts you'd like to see me do, comment below and we'll go ahead and do them. But for now, guys, dance, 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 dance. Exercise 1, Diamond Push-Ups. Get into a plank position with your hands and feet. Bring your hands close together so thumbs and index fingers form a diamond shape at your chest. Keeping your body straight, lower your chest to hands. Extend elbows and push your body back up to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 2, Plank. Planks not only build your rectus abdominis, planks also target your upper back, pectorals, arms, and serratus anterior. Plant hands directly on the chest, wider than shoulder width. Ground toes into the floor and be careful not to hyperextend your elbow. Neutralize your neck and spine and hold for 2 minutes. Exercise 3, Archer Push-Ups. Start in a plank position with your arms wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line and point your fingers outward. Bring your body down on the right side by bending the right elbow and straightening the left arm out to the left. Come back up and into the middle. Lower the body to the left side by bending the left elbow and straightening the right arm out to the right side. This is 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Exercise 4, Pike Pushups. Get into a plank position on the floor, keep arms straight and hands shoulder width apart. Lift your hips so that your body forms an upside down V shape. Keep your legs arms straight as possible. Bend your elbows and lower your upper body until the top of your head gets close to the floor. Pause and then push yourself back up to starting position. That's 1 rep. Complete 50 reps. Wow, your arms should feel fatigued right now. Hey, but good job on you for finishing it through. For any additional workouts, please comment below and let me know what other workouts you'd like to see us do. As well, don't forget to grab a copy of my ab workout book for women, now available at fequierefitness.com. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, dance, 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 dance.